Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Monster Hunter Now game on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device, and once it is opened up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Monster Hunter Now and start your search. Once you find the Monster Hunter Now application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Monster Hunter Now game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up the Monster Hunter Now game on your device. And now, once you open it up, you can log into your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start enjoying the game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Monster Hunter Now game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.